why do I put such a lot of emphasis on poor listening skills that we have to go and correct it? Because of the family of poor listening skills. It's part of a bad family. It's part like the mafia. You don't want to go and do business with this family. Because poor listening skills brother is a drug dealer on the corner of the street, and his name is Misunderstanding. And his brother is sitting in jail, and his name is Offense. And his brother is sitting on death row, and his name is Division. Poor listening skills, misunderstanding, offense, and division. We have to break the cycle because the devil pounces on division. That's his armor. He goes out all of the way, because Jesus go and say, this church is especially, our strength is lying in our unity. And the devil knows that. So he will cause division. He will pounce on division. And this is how division works. We start off with poor listening skills, and then eventually a lot of misunderstandings, offense, and there we are with division. So break the cycle right in the beginning. Start getting that listening skills.